Hey dear follow web visitors, have you ever felt like your web pages are stuck in a boring, basic bulleted list loop? Well, today we are going beyond the UL and OL, that's right, we are diving into the other list of HTML. Think of these as the secret menu items at your favorite cafe. Really? Use but absolutely amazing. Imagine impressing your friends by casually throwing around terms like description list instead of boring old bullet point. Trust me, they'll think you are coding genius or they are just stored at you like you are a nerd. Either way, it's a win or win. Now, computer, why not to use unordered lists? Me, because I like to live dangerously, so buckle up because this is going to be a list statistic ride. So let's move computer screen and let's do a coding. Yeah, loving it. So guys, let's open your text editor and I have already opened my text editor and like you know, I'm building up a very beautiful full screen overflow navigation. So let's build it. And now first of all you have installed your one text editor, any text editor which you have satisfied from it. So I am satisfied from Visual Studio Code, and if you do not have any text editor has downloaded in your computer, so let me tell you how to download it. So you only want to do it, come on to Google Chrome and search here your text editor. I am searching my text editor by the name of Visual Studio Code text download, and this text editor is available on your three favorite platforms like Windows, Linux and Mac. So this is your own choice. If you download in Windows, to download in Windows. Like I know many people are only in Windows and some people are on Mac and Linux. Okay, so I have already downloaded in the Windows, so I do not download one more time. And then let me create a one file. To create a file, first of all, click on the file and click on the new file. And the shortcut key is Control Alt Windows N. So I'm giving the name of the file is index.html and I'm saving this file in my documents. Anywhere you save it is your own choice. Now first of all I define a doc type declaration. This is called the starting code of the HTML. So in the head section I am writing meta, viewport, and then I am defining content. Okay, this is the starting code. This is your own choice. If you want to write this code, so write. If you do not want to write this code, so do not write. Okay, scale equals to 1. Now here we define our CSS code in the head section. First of all we write our HTML code, then we define a CSS code, because then people will be confused. Now in the body element I am writing my HTML code. First of all I define a div in which I define a one ID by the name of myNav, and in the myNav the LN should be in capital. Then I define a class will be overflow. Overlay means okay. And now in the href I am writing the JavaScript. Now let's define a JavaScript and 0. Now I define a button class to, when we style it, so we do not face any trouble. On click, okay, when we click it, so it will be open. Close nav, and I am writing here like this. And now I am writing here end times. And when I wrote it down it, so I am writing here div class should be overlay / content. Now I am writing here a href hashtag like about, and then I am writing here more things like services, and then I am writing here clients, or I am writing here contact. Now here our full screen overflow overlay nav example has been built it. Our all HTML code has been written down. So I am writing here some example code. Overlay nav example. Now paragraph I am looking. Click on the element below to open the full screen overlay navigation menu dot. Now here I am writing pin in this example, comma, the navigation menu will slide in, comma, from left to right. Now here I am defining span in which I am writing style, and the font size of it should be 30 pixels. And now I am adding here cursor should be pointed. Now I am defining it on click, means when we click it, so okay. Now open nav, and I am writing here and hashtag 9776 open, and open should be in small letters. Now here I define script in which we write our JavaScript codes, okay, like function open nav, in which I am writing document.get element by id, my nav, my style dot width equals to 100%. Now here I am copy this code. Now here I am writing close nav, and I am erasing open, and I am writing 0%. Save, and then when I open my documents and when I open my index.html file, it is still looking like this. Why? Because I did not add the CSS code. So let's see, add a CSS code and let's see the magic of it. Okay, so in the hash section we define in HTML style, in which we write about all the CSS codes which we write in. Okay, so write it down. So first of all we define body, in which we define our font. Any font you give it, I am giving to a Poppins. Okay, and now I am giving dot overlay. Overlay I am giving height 100%, width 0, position fixed, means it will be not move anywhere, and z index -1, top 0, left 0 I am also giving it. And now I am adding a background color, in which I am writing RGB 0, 0, and then 0. Now background color one more time, RGB 0, 0, and one more time 0, in which I am defining alpha 0.5 or 9. Okay, now overflow X will be hidden, and transition I am adding 0.5 seconds. Now I define dot overlay slash content, in which I define a position relative, top 25%, width 100%, and then I am defining it text align should be centered, margin top 30 pixels. Then I am defining dot overlay A, padding 8 pixels, text decoration should be none, and font size should be 36 pixels. Text color I am giving hashtag 8181, and display I am giving him to the block. Transition 0.3 seconds. Now I am defining here overlay A hover, comma overlay A focus, in which I am writing here color, means text color you all know, hashtag F1. Then overlay dot close BDN, I am writing here position absolute, top 20 pixels, right 45 pixels, and font size will be 60 pixels. Now I define a media query. Now let's do it in the responsive. Max height 450 pixels, dot overlay A, font size will be 20 pixels, and then here I am defining dot overlay dot close btn, font size 40 pixels, and then top should be 15 pixels, and then I am writing here right should be 35 pixels. Now save it, and then boom. Now when it has been built, and now when you click into to the open, so now it is coming like this, and when you click across, it is going. So you can see it. Now it is hovering also like this. Here you can see it like this we build it. So like that you can create a one full screen overlay navigation in HTML and CSS. So if you enjoy this video, in only in HTML. So if you enjoy this video, so like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to all the notification bell also now over these type of videos of the HTML. So now I give the outro of this video in the bigger screen. So let's come on to the bigger screen, and let's move on to the bigger screen, and let's give the outro of this video. Alright folks, now you know there's more to list than just bullets and numbers, with definition list, description list, and all those fancy e-samcy texts. Your websites are about to get a serious glow up. If you found this video helpful or if I made you laugh even once, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And hey, drop a comment below with your favorite list-worthy thing in life, my pizza toppings and videos. Ideas from amazing viewers like you. So good. Bye.